Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for those that don't know, I'm Jasmine, and today I'm going to do my Boxing Day haul. So if you guys are interested in finding out the great deals I got from Sephora, Beauty Bay, and Call It Spring, then please stay tuned. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date. So I did some Boxing Day shopping. I always like to scoop up the sales because I find it's really weird. Like, I don't spend a lot at Sephora throughout the year, but I find at the end of the year, that's when my spending goes upwards. So I'll just kind of jump right in with some things that I purchased. So the very first thing that I bought, this deal was amazing, I could not pass up on it, is the Benefit Superstar Steel. It gives you a full-size roller lash and a full-size high beam. I can't even speak, I'm sick right now. But $14 for this. I don't really care about the high beam. I already have that. It's probably expired. But $14 for a full-size roller lash is a great deal. I love this mascara. So as soon as I saw this, I needed to grab it. The next thing I bought, and I've been wanting this forever, is from Glow Recipe. So I don't know like what these products are like. I don't know if they're gimmicky. I don't know if they're good, but I'm finally going to try them. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer and the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the Jelly Sheet Mask. So I'm excited to try these. I did actually try the sleeping mask and it worked okay. Like, my skin actually was like glowing the next day, but I don't know like how great it is per se. And then of course you get this bag. So it's regularly $53, $76 value. It was on sale for $48 with 20% off. You do the math because I'm not very good at math. So I did get a savings here. These are like regularly $29 anyway, so definitely excited to try these to finally see if, you know, the hype is real. They do smell really good though. I can let you know that. The next thing I purchased is, I actually got this before Christmas, but I thought I would include it in because this is kind of a Sephora haul. So I got the Bite Agave Treat Trio Mini Agave Lip Mask Set. I got this actually in store because I was scared it was going to be sold out online. So this is a Bite Beauty Kit, and it comes with 3 little agave lip masks. So I've been really wanting to try this. So this is Candy Cane. I think this is natural, and then maple. I've been using the Candy Cane one. You can tell it's kind of deformed looking compared to the rest of them. I don't mind it. Like, I find this is like a little bit overhyped. I had maybe more higher expectations than what I got. I find it leaves a lot of residue on my lips, which is kind of strange, but they do feel nice. But yeah, like I can't say I'm sold. Maybe it's just the candy cane flavor, but it was different. The next thing I got which was another amazing value, was the Buxom Full On Fabulous Lip Plumping Duo. So this was $18. It is a Boxing Day sale thing. So you get 2 full-size Buxom products, which is a crazy deal because I think these are like $24 regularly, maybe even more. So I got the Plumping Lip Polish in Mariah, and I really love this. It's like a really cool iridescent color. I wore it one day and I was like, wow, this is so cool, because I had like traces of blue on my lips and it made them look really plump and juicy. And this is the Full On Lip Plumping Cream in Dolly. And I absolutely love Dolly. Like, this used to be one of my go-tos. I'm surprised I haven't worn it yet. I just love the smell of these too, and they just make your lips like so plump and like stinging. Like, yeah, I'm really happy. Like, really good Boxing Day sale for that. I could not pass it up. I'm trying not to buy lip products, but I can try. That doesn't mean I won't fail. The next thing I got was from Origins. So I want to try Origins. I never have. So this was $14. It's $28 value. And I wanted to try Origins before I jumped into any of their products, because some of these products have kind of caught my attention. So it comes with the Checks and Balances Face Wash, the Ginseng Ultra Hydrating Ultra Energy Boosting Cream, and the Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream Brighten and Depuff. It is the eye cream in particular, which has kept kind of my which I've wanted to try. They are smaller, but they'll be good for traveling too. So that's the face wash, which is perfect actually for traveling. The energy cream, and this little tiny baby eye cream. But it's good. Like, if it doesn't work out for me, I'll, like, spending $14 on these products didn't break the bank, right? So that's what I like most about these kits. So I could get free shipping. I got the Lingxi sleeping mask from Sephora. Yeah. Maybe I'll try this tonight. I forgot I got it. But yeah, so I got that. And then I got this sample. I'm really pumped. Of the Kay Ali collection perfume. So this is the collection with Huda and her sister. It's not available in stores, which kind of drove me crazy because I wanted to know what it smelled like before I bought it. So when I saw they had a deluxe sample of this, I was like, okay, I need to try this. This was like the most exciting thing of the order, believe it or not, the sample. Also too, like, I forgot to select samples with this order. Like, what is wrong with me? So this one is Elixir. It smells really good. It's like a light kind of floral. It almost reminds me of like when you go to a hotel lobby. Citrus. It's really good. Smells citrusy, musk, and vanilla. I actually love vanilla the most. It actually breaks down too, like what's in it. But these smell delicious. They're very expensive though. It's like $150 for the full size. So that sample is probably like $20. The very last thing I got from Sephora is the Huda Beauty Coral Obsession. So this was on sale for $25 and it had 20% off. I have to say though, I was so surprised how tiny this was. I haven't tried it yet because I like to like wait to try things until I do a video on them. You can see though, it is super tiny. This has been out for a while, but I really do like the colors, and coral's like the Pantone color of the year, so I'm really excited about that. After buying it, I kind of realized it's very similar to the ColourPop Yes Please palette in terms of matte colors, but I'm really excited. It has a nice mirror too. It'll be good for traveling, which means I actually have to do some traveling. So that was everything I got from Sephora. I did purchase some other things as well. So I finally got, guys, the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. So I didn't buy it from Sephora. I actually bought it from Beauty Bay. They had a sale and it was only $38 Canadian. On Sephora, it's $55. And I got free shipping too. So I was so pumped. It only took like maybe a week to get here. I ordered it on the 30th and it came yesterday. So yeah, it didn't take very long to get here at all. I didn't have to pay any duties. I had a really good experience with Beauty Bay. It didn't come like shattered or anything. So this is the palette. You guys have probably seen it before, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I did some looks with it yesterday, and I just love how like Christian Dominique actually liked my photo, and she featured my palette Instagram story on her story. So I just think that's so sweet. And I have to tell you, like, these are the most creamy, most pigmented shadows I've ever tried. They just glide on your eyes. So I highly recommend what I've tried so far. I really want now her Berries and Cream palette, but no regrets on buying this. I absolutely love it. And I can't believe how big it is. So that was kind of it for beauty. I didn't go I actually, like, this is a lot for me to buy. I did buy a shirt from Shein, but I don't know what's happened to it. I'm gonna probably have to file a claim because it's just disappeared. I did buy 2 purses as well, so I'm kind of like tired of using my Michael Kors purse / I don't want to get it dirty because it's more of a summery purse. So spring had a really great sale, so I got this purse and it's really nice. It's oxblood, and then it has like this kind of like blush color. So this was only $15.99 Canadian. They had it in black too. I like the side because it has like a croc print, and then it has this. So really good deals from spring. So that was everything I bought in my Boxing Day sales. I'll link all the products down below if they're still available, if you guys are interested in trying them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you bought during Boxing Day sales or after Christmas. So I thank you for all your love and support, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.